So hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Tapa Mag. I am Harshvardhan and now I am going to start my video without any further delay. So guys, I am just going to talk about the coronavirus, or you can say about the Delta variant of the coronavirus. The corona. Well, I am not talking about the type of corona which the sun surface have. Well, the sun surface does not have a type of virus known as corona. The outermost layer of the sun's surface is known as corona, and I'm not going to talk about this, so not be confused. Okay, so let us zoom further. According to the new name proposed for the COVID variants, the country of variants like Kent and UK has given the scientific name of B point B.1.1.7, and the WHO give it name as Alpha. The variant of South Africa B1315 is known as Beta. The variant started from the Brazil of P.1 is known as Gamma, and the variant started from India is B1617.2 is Delta. Well, the variant of that was discovered in India was actually the variant which was found by the mutation of the variant present in the United Kingdoms. So let's go further. Well, according to the latest report by the Public Health England, a UK government public health body, with the 63 genomes of the Delta with K4197 mutation have been identified on GI said. In its latest report on the COVID-19 variants update on June 11th, India has reported 6 cases of A1.1 or Delta plus as June 7. It is an old report, but actually on the June 7 it has been found that 11 cases in India. The scientists fear the monoclonal antibodies cocktail patient may not work against the Delta mutant. During that time the research has not been happened, but the scientists feared that the monoclonal antibodies which is found inside the human body cannot work against the Delta plus mutation. At this point, the variant frequency of K141 is not much in India, say experts. Experts used to say that the variant frequency was not used to be too large that time. The earlier report by PhD said that Delta AY1, Delta with K417N, was found through the routine scanning of variation in Delta. It was found when the Delta variant was going through a routine scanning. Why is the Delta variant cause for this concern? Because the Delta variant of the coronavirus was the most dominant one in India. Remember, I am not talking about the Delta plus variant. I am talking about just Delta variant. The Delta variant was not so much dominant one in India. It has the 2N mutation in spike protein compared to the SARS-CoV-2, which was first discovered in Wuhan, China. We have known that the coronavirus has came from the China, from the Wuhan, and it has dual mutation spike was found in the Delta variant of the coronavirus. It has appreciated more than ACE2 enzymes, adding entry of coronavirus around these mutations that characterize the variant. This type of mutation have the enzymes, and the mutation was named as L452 and T478K and was already mutating. It was studied by a Public Health England showed that the Pfizer and AstraZeneca vaccine were only 3% effective against symptomatic disease from B161 3 weeks after the first dose, whereas they were 50% effective against B17, which means that the AstraZeneca vaccines were only 33% effective that time according to the old study, but now it has not been found in the recent view of studies. The Pfizer and AstraZeneca vaccines are now found more than 70%, as you can hear in the news channels etc. So that while it can be low in the first case, but in the second, as mentioned here, but now it is approximately 43%, or maybe more. For I have not got the current information. It is based on the information provided on by the June 30. Okay, you can see it here. It is the Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare by the Government of India, and I have derived this picture from there, and one of my subscriber have sent me this the link for this channel, and I have joined it and checked it. It is a original channel. So you can go on a telegram. You can follow the Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare. You can go on the Google, just search for the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and check the information on 30th June. You will find this information. There is no issue. The variants of the concerns VOC are found to be distributed in 174 districts in 35 states in India. According to the research, the variant of concern, which is known as Delta Plus variant, is found in the 174 districts in 35 states of India. Well, India does not have a 35 states. It has 28 states and 9 union territory, and the 35 states represents some union territories as well. The highest numbers of the cases were reported from the districts in Maharashtra, Delhi, Punjab, Telangana, West Bengal, and Gujarat. The variants of concerns for the public health importance detected in the community sample in India are: Alpha has 3,969 people, Gamma has 1%, Beta has 149, B1617. Delta Plus, Delta, and Kappa has 16,238 COVID cases. The proportion of cases with variants of concern has risen from 10% in May with 51% on 20 June 2021. On the 20 June 2021, the Delta variant, which is dangerous for it can do many mutations, has been raised to 51%, which means that all the cases that occurred during that time was caused by these viruses only. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. It is made from many hours of work. You can say it at least take 1 to 2 hours to make these videos. But it takes more than that to create the graphics and etc. So let's proceed further. The types and characteristics of Delta variant. The Delta variant B1617 has 3 subtypes: B1617.1, B1617.2, and B16.7.3, as you can see it here. Kappa, Lambda, and Lambda is classified as event of interest (VOI). It is while the Delta Plus or EY plus 0.1, it is named as B1617.2, as I have told you earlier already, was classified as the variants of concern by the Public Health of England on 7th May 2021. Now it is also considered as the variant of concern in India also. The Delta Plus variant has the following characteristics. As you can see it can increase transmissibility, which means that it can transfer at a very high rate. It has a stronger binding to receptors of the lung cells. You can see that every cell has a receptor through which it gains various type of products, various type of article of the things required by it, and at that receptor the virus goes at that receptor, is engulfed by the cell, and it captures the cell, and it can you can see that it can have the increased rate of receptor in the lung cells. The potential and the post vaccination of the immune escapes. Before the vaccination, the immunity system does not have the potential to do this. The potential reduction in the monoclonal antibody response. You can see it here, as I told you already about the monoclonal antibody. The 48 cases of the Delta Plus variant was found from 45,000 samples sequenced in 11 states. The characterization ongoing has 3 mutations. At present, the virus is being isolated and cultured at ICMR and IV. ICMR and IV has a isolated and culturing the virus and doing the research on the Delta Plus variant right now. And it has going 3 mutation, and on the 30th, if I am not wrong, on the 30th June, you can find that the characteristics are going on the cases, and it was found to be 48 cases on the 45,000 sample which was done that date. Okay, I'm just it is going by the mistake for it has a time limit, but you can see it was dated on 25th June 2021, and it was and I got this information on the 30th June. This whole thing is based on the information provided by the 25th June, as you can see it here. There are many companies which are making vaccines that are effective against all the variants. And however, the Covishield, according to recent study, which is not mentioned, the Covishield has in the 15% cases of the Covishield, the people can get the mild COVID at a high rate. Well, using any vaccine, you can get COVID at any rate, at a very mild COVID at a low rate, but it is have a high rate on the 15% of the cases. But however, you will not die. So take the vaccines. India currently there are two and three vaccination or three vaccines going inside the India. The first one is Covishield, which is made by the Serum Institute of India, and the second one is Covaxin, which is made by the Bharat Biotech. India also has the Sputnik 5 vaccine, which is made in the Russia. India is also taking to have a Pfizer vaccine of the COVID-19. All we have known the company name Moderna. It is also the first to make the along with the Pfizer. It was also the first and second to make the COVID vaccine. However, it requires a storage at a low temperature. It can also be in India after a short time. And according to me, approximately 90% of the Indians have listened about the name Zydus Cadila. Well, it is just on Zydus here, but its full name is Zydus Cadila, and it also prepared the COVID-19 vaccine with its 3 doses. It is in the state of the clinical trial, and it is also effective for the children of the 12s, or you can say teenagers. So just take the vaccinations. Don't be scared, and don't get in any of the superstitions. It is all safe. You have seen the statistics on the 7th July. Well, today is 8th July when I am shooting this video, and on the 7th July it was found the cases to be 45,892. It's still a large number of cases. However, by percent it is low, but individually it is a high number of cases. You can see the average cases was there be 45,892 cases, and on the 6th May 2021, a day before the COVID-19 reached its peak on the 4,18,000. You can see that there were so high cases per day. If you will multiply the average of it, you will get more than 21 lakh of case in a week. Many people were dying that time, so you should wear masks, follow safety rules. And you can see on the 6th April 2020, when the people were thinking that the COVID has gone, it was just moving with the speed. It has just started gaining speed, as you can see it here. The 7-day average is less than twice the new case. You can see it here. So guys, wear mask, follow social distancing. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay awesome. Bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe.